VACC's Technical Advisory Service has been receiving calls relating to auxiliary coolant pumps, which are fitted to many vehicles. These components are an essential part of a modern engine's thermal management system and can be used for various purposes. They have some innovative designs and seem to have some common issues. Auxiliary coolant pumps are centrifugal pumps consisting of an impeller in a housing driven by a brushed DC 12-volt motor, like something you would find in a washing machine. Many of these pumps are known as magnetic drive pumps. The drive shaft from the motor rotates an assembly of magnets on the outside of the impeller housing. On the inside of the impeller housing is a matching ring of magnets on a shaft attached to the impeller, surrounded by coolant. Torque is transferred through the housing because of the coupled magnets via magnetic lines of force. Auxiliary coolant pumps can be fitted to perform vastly different functions. The typical applications are cabin heating for vehicles with stop-start systems, EGR cooling for improved emission control, heat soak prevention for turbocharged and some non-turbocharged engines. The vehicle's ECU will monitor various sensors and may run the auxiliary coolant pumps after the engine has shut down for an appropriate length of time, which could be up to 15 minutes or more, which is normal. We receive many calls about diagnostic trouble code P261A, coolant pump B, circuit open, in 2-litre TDI Volkswagen Amaroks. This code causes some confusion as these vehicles may have two auxiliary coolant pumps fitted and VW uses different names for the same part. P261A refers to the auxiliary coolant pump mounted at the front of the engine, which is called V51 Continued Coolant Circulation Pump in the OE Workshop Manual. For the diagnostic procedure for P261A and more information about auxiliary coolant pumps, see the April 2021 issue of Tech Talk, log on to VACC's MotorTech, or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.